Hello everyone! Another day has come and today I'm planning to continue to work on my horizontal stabilizer. Well, basically, as I said in my last video, I was thinking to order more clicos and I did that. So it's another 300 or 250 of the clicos for my horizontal stab and hopefully for my wings later on when I will need those. So, my plans today are, well, quite simple. According to Van's manual, I have to add more clicos, match drill all holes in my skins, and after that continue with, after I complete match drilling, continue with disassembly of complete structure, like remove all parts, I guess dimpling, holes deburring, and after that riveting. Oh, well, of course I won't be able most likely to complete everything during today, but at least we will see how far and how deep in the process I will be able to go today. So it's a morning and I'm starting, and you are more than welcome to watch. Match drilling is now completed and I'm starting to work on the, well, basically removing parts one by one and preparing them for the deburring and dimpling. About match hole drilling, I must say it's boring. It's really boring and again boring part. Like it took good amount of time, like I would say about 4 or 5 hours just to do complete match drilling of all holes and move clicos. And actually the part about match drilling was just boring part, while the part about the moving of the clicos, that a tricky part, because as you can see I have lots of clicos here, lots of holes, and you have to develop your own way, your own logic how you plan to move clicos to ensure that you will keep you will have all holes actually drilled and you won't miss any. So I was doing like the lines, the horizontal lines, vertical lines one by one, and moving clicos one by one. So it was a bit tricky, but well, looks like I made all holes. Now I will be slowly disassembling whole construction and continuing with the Van's manual, starting to deburr holes, dimple holes, and getting the parts ready for the riveting. Not sure if the start of the riveting will happen today, because, well, as I said, the match drilling took a time, but at least I will move forward and be able to prepare as much as I can on my horizontal stab. So let's take a look. that was a long day. Lots of things were done, and well, I'm not finished yet in terms of the readiness for the riveting. I still have to do some counter thinking of the longerons and probably something else, but the most like difficult and time-consuming part is hole smudge drilling, as well as the dimpling of the skins has been completed. Well, I must say, yeah, it takes a lot of time. It's quite boring because we have lots of holes. But anyway, things are moving, and my plan is for the next working day to continue to work and to complete the counter thinking of the holes in the longerons and in the spars, and well, basically, and start riveting. That's going to be in the next video. For now, that's it, that's all. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Leave me your comments, and have a good one. See you.